Queens, a carbon monoxide scare led to building evacuations. A manhole fire is to blame, likely spark from the salt seeping in on electrical wires due to snow removal efforts. Eyewitness News reporter Kemberly Richardson is at the scene in Elmhurst. Kemberly.
Well, Joe, what started out here with one manhole has in the last 30 minutes or so spread to at least 3 more. And emergency crews from Con Edison are out here and they're trying to sort it all out. Let me show you the first manhole. We showed you this in the 5 o'clock hour. This is where it all started, that manhole there with the black soot. Again, it appears there be sparking wires underneath. All of that is causing a flood of carbon monoxide to be released. From bad to worse, take a look at this. We've been here a second manhole and thick black smoke pouring out of it. The cap on that one did eventually pop. That SUV there was not damaged. These manholes are all on the same line, and that's where emergency crews from Con Edison are focused. Now, because of the high amount of carbon monoxide in this area, people had to be evacuated from one building with 6 apartments and several homes here on 74th Street, just off 45th Avenue. Folks living here tell me earlier this afternoon there were several red flags. Take a listen.
The light just keep flashing like for a few hours, and I was wondering what's going on. So I came outside to see, is there any fire going on, near here.
Do you have carbon monoxide detectors in your house?
Yes, I do.
Did they ever go off?
Did they? No.
No, they didn't.
They didn't.
Okay, and I want to show you here again, we're on 74th Street, and this is the whole line of emergency crews from Con Edison. Also, I want to show you back to that manhole. It's over here, but again, they're all on the same line, and that's where the black soot started. Also, at this point, we're told there are at least 4 or 5 homes out here where the power has been cut, which is awful given these cold temperatures. The folks have no heat and no lights. All the people that were evacuated from this apartment building and some of these homes, they are down on a city bus staying warm there on Queens Boulevard. Again, we're told that this all started earlier this afternoon. Emergency crews out here, they're going to try and get down underground in these manholes and try and isolate this problem and cut the line when these levels come back down. This carbon monoxide, remember, so dangerous. You can't see it, you can't taste it, you can't smell it. So those carbon monoxide detectors, you have to have them in your apartments, in your homes for situations just like this. We will be out here and monitoring things and bring them back to you. For